Okay, guys, today is Friday night. So I'm gonna make happy hour at home. Here I'm gonna make a Bahama Mama. So this is alcohol. It's a rum, Bacardi rum, and peach nut, and orange pineapple juice, and cranberry juice. Let's go started. First, I'm gonna get the ice. Okay, get the ice. This 2 glass right here. Alright, let's put the ice in here. Make some drink, have a good time. You make on your own. It's pay cheap, but you can drink over and over. You want to have a good time. Go to the bartender. They're too sweet and they don't make the way you want it. It's not good, so you make on your own. Okay, let's go start it. Alright, this is Bacardi rum. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put this in a shot right here, about half. I'm going half. Okay, half first. Half. And eagle, I'm gonna have 2 piece nut. Smell good already. Wow, smell good. Just half. Everything equal. Oh, kind of a little too much that one. Alright, this is pineapple juice. Pineapple juice is gonna be like 1 shot. Say 1 shot. Okay. 1 shot. And cranberry gonna be half. Cranberry just sparkle. You see that how nice looking? Wow, this is crazy. It's good. Alright, let's add on a little bit. I think I missed just tiny bit right here. Okay, now get the stir. Oh my god, I didn't start it. Oh yeah, I'm started. Sorry. Okay, let's mix. Look at that, looking good already, just like that, right? Bahama Mama, looking good. This is yum. Oh my god. Okay, cheer, hon.
Ready.
Yep, cheer. Bahama Mama.
Happy Friday.
Happy hour at home. Cheers.
Right.
Easy guy to make. Oh wow, that's good. Peach nut is a good flavor. Good flavor. That's good, huh? This first time, guys.
I have to admit that tastes better than the one we had last night.
Yeah,
names,
it is. Oh my God, tell you. Cheers again.
Cheers again.
Oh yes. It's very good. Okay, one more topping. I'm just learning. Okay, one more topping. This is orange juice right here. Because basically it's tropical drink. When they go to Bahama, oh man, it's so good. Just add orange, some orange in there. Yeah, it looks good. And because I add on some orange right there, so I'm just rub in there a little bit and stir. Yep. It's very good. Alright guys, this is how you make drink at home. You know, you can do at home. It's so easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's it. Bahama Mama, baby. You don't have to go to Bahama to drink Bahama. You can be at home and make your own Bahama Mama. That's crazy good, right? Love it. Okay, guys. I will show you make another one next time, next episode. But keep watching and follow me and thumbs up, subscribe. I come up more drink. You can have fun at home, okay? Homemade cocktail. How about that? Alright, guys. See you later. Bye bye.